Arlo is not amused. He wants to go to bed. See, the road gets a little more narrow. It turns into the dirt road. We're in the weeds. Oh. They give you plenty of firewood here. It's filled to the brim when you arrive. And a little old-fashioned splitter. And plenty of kindling. Nice. Yeah. And then you have the loo room. You have a little sink. Back here you have a shower with hot water. A little rain shower does the trick. And the bathroom. It's like a little porta potty kind of thing. A lantern, they got hot water. It's just a short walk over to the camp. Little porch here with chairs. Alright, heading across the way to take some pictorials. Oh, isn't that nice? There's little man. Hi, little man. Our own private waterfall. That doesn't suck. Hey, little buddy. Apparently that's remnants of an old grist mill way before the 1930s. So we're actually wondering if it's maybe something that was more prohibition, because the family could not find any information on it. That's just what they were told. So, Right there's like an inlet that goes like under the rock.
Can you see the fish or no?
Yeah.
It's like a hole.
I wonder how far back it goes.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah. Lua is passed out way over there. Sleepyhead. And Arlington wanted his special camp blanket. I gave that to him and his little Betty biscuit. And all you can see is his ears. Out like a light.
So big.
Yeah, he is. Holy crap. Where is he? Arlington,
No,
no.
Arlo.
Leave it. There he is now. He's a big boy.
Yeah, it's a big fucking frog. Table, and all of a sudden he was like, ah!
Oh, so he must have been under there hiding somewhere. Oh my God. He's like, see you later, lady.
Yeah.
Leave me the fuck alone. He's going to hide now. Look at him blend in.
I know.
That's really cool. He blends right in.
You hear that?
Uh-huh. Just doing it for a little. I'm grilling some turkey kibasa.
Breakfast of Champions.
This is Upper Falls, right from the campsite. Real short walk. It's beautiful here. There's Kahlua. Hi, honey girl. Hi. What are you doing, huh? There's Mr. Man. Come here, guys. We're going this way. I'm gonna go check out these Upper Falls here. How pretty is that? piece of foundation right there. And down there is where we were sitting yesterday. And we'll probably sit down there again today. There's the tent. Camp kitchen. Bathroom right over there. Everything's real close. Beautiful. So I did a rough line sketch of what we're going to draw. And now Eeyore is going to work on it a little bit. And then I'll tag in and do something on it, and we'll go back and forth on that until we're both happy with it. But our inspiration is that rock right there with the kind of trees coming out of it. You can see, looks like there's like just a couple of rocks like holding the whole island up. So that's our inspiration. Finished product. That was fun.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin. Restoring everything. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground. Things were low to learn. We lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond earth. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents.
Come on, little man. Good boy. Come on. You're such a good boy. Upper Falls, where we're sitting, and Lower Falls. And there's some either further falls up on the other side too, we'll show you. But this place is just spectacular. And what a beautiful day. The puppies are thoroughly enjoying being off-leash puppies. Free to roam, being good as gold. This is the far side of the falls. We won't go any further down than this, but give you a little view from down here. This place is just awesome. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You gonna come play with Mommy? Come here. Come on, bud. Good boy. And Dora the Explorer. Look at him go. Good boy, buddy.